baby a ball and akodu ayema no nye came asem a central government managerial say now it's up to the regional minister, the local government minister, the finance director, and your friend say omo maka yet yeah a woman say yes a ball and a free kemi near your free municipal metropolis num any district num. It is yet me in na kodruha a home management in it. It is the responsibility of the central government. It is His Excellency the President. Now, me here camera, me here the enemy. I mean, can't you President? But yes, His Excellency the President. The Waste Management Department, they are your responsibility. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly responsibility is there. You be free municipal num. Ye the Akodu landfill site. Landfill site management cost everything. A central government nitua. She say ball and ayema. Yasemo di omoka. Kick up and call manager. Ema landfill site. Reste kakra no. Ono so yase aban ne de ne ka enya nkwa. But government is a continuous process. Wa ba beto aso a de wantua na ma ne ntrase. She say okọ 5 months. 5 years. Muntua ne ka. Jumumpem 2 years bi ma no. Na papa ne member na ji ball ano na asama mi